In this video, I am going to show you how to safely unplug your oven. There could be a multitude of reasons why you need to unplug your oven. Maybe you need to reset it, or it's making an alarm noise that won't stop, or maybe you need to service it, or in some cases, the service manual says you should unplug it before you change the light bulb. Whatever your reason is, this is the process in order to unplug your oven safely. It's a very easy process. You have nothing to worry about if you follow these steps. Your first step is that you need to pull the oven out away from the wall. Next, you're going to notice that the wire that connects into your oven looks different than any other appliance you've seen in your house. Your oven does not plug into an outlet that looks like this. This is a standard in the United States 120 volt outlet. Your oven uses 240 volts, which is double. So the gauge of the wire is thicker and the amount of electricity that it uses is higher. So in order to safely unplug this, you need to firmly grasp with your hand around the edges. When you pull this out, you're going to see that there are long metal prongs. You need to be cautious to not touch those metal prongs as you're pulling it out of the wall. So with one swift motion, you want to grab firmly and pull outward quickly and safely like that. These are the prongs I was telling you about. If these were potentially halfway plugged into the wall and you touched them, that's when an electrical shock can occur. So always be cautious of that when you're unplugging. Go ahead and set this safely away. Please excuse my under the oven mess. And now at this point, my oven is unplugged. I hope this video was helpful for you. Thank you for watching and good luck on your project.